Hello, my cookies. Today we will be making loaded potato soup. Let's cook. We're going to start by frying our bacon, and I have about 4 to 5 slices that I have chopped, and we just want to fry those until it renders grease. When they're nice and crispy, go ahead and remove them and place them on a paper towel to drain, but leave the grease in there. And we're going to saute our diced onions in that bacon fat. When that browns, add in your garlic, stir it around, don't burn it, and no, the pot is not burnt, that's flavor, child. Now toss in some butter and allow it to melt. When that melts, go ahead and whisk in some all-purpose flour for a minute. Then we're going to pour in our chicken stock. Give it a stir and whisk it really well as it comes up to a simmer. Now pour in your whole milk and half and half. While that's heating up, we want to add in our onion and garlic powders, as well as some Italian seasoning or herbes de Provence. That's what I'm using. Here are my potatoes. I have cut them up in 1/2-inch chunks. Cut them as big or small as you'd like and add them in carefully. Don't splash that. And when it comes to a simmer, we want to go ahead and lower the heat, cover it with the lid, and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until our potatoes are nice and tender. Now we can add that bacon back in, saving a little bit for garnish at the end, and stir it in there. This is the point where you want to taste it and adjust your seasoning, add your salt and pepper as needed, and then put a big glob of sour cream in there and allow it to dissolve. That's going to make it really rich. And here I'm adding in some New York sharp cheddar. You can use your favorite cheese. Just go ahead and stir that in there. Once that sour cream dissolves and the cheese melts completely, we are ready to serve. And cookies, this is our loaded potato soup. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. You can garnish it with some cheese, of course some more bacon, a dollop of sour cream, and some chives, but you can use green onions as well. Thank you so much for watching, cookies. I hope you enjoyed this. I gotta eat, so until next time, be blessed.